Hey guys, how's it going? So I managed to pick up a second-hand 80 series Landcruiser rear diff lock, already in the diff. So today I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to remove a rear diff from a Landcruiser or any four-wheel drive with a floating rear axle. So just take out the fuel bung first, see if anything drains out of there. No. And then we'll just drop the drain bung out and let all the diff oil drain out. So now we're just going to work on removing the rear axles, because this is floating rear axle. You can just pull the whole axle out without even having to take anything else off. So we should be able to leave the wheels on it unless it's going to be a pain to get out. So we'll see how we go. The Landcruiser has cones in here, which help locate the axle. So we're just going to see if we can get them to pop out just by shocking them. Now got all the cones out, can try and free up the axle from the hub. So now we got this right hand axle out, we're going to do the exact same to the left hand side. Good time to change the diff out. Looks like my pinion seal's leaking. There is a nut somewhere under here. Start undoing all the diff nuts, and then we'll break it off, and then we should be right to pull it out. we go. So that's free now. I'll just take this nut off and drop it in the oil. So we got the diff out now. It's a big bloody diff. So now I'll just clean up everything, clean up the sealing surface, get the new diff all cleaned up with the air locker in it, and get it fitted. So I've cleaned all the gasket off of here. I'm just going to use a bit of brake cleaner. Get rid of all the oil. Wipe that off. Now we should get a pretty good seal with the new gasket and a bit of gasket sealant as well. So I'm just going to apply some silicone sealant around here. So I've got the new diff here with the AOB air locker in it. So now I'm going to try and lift it up. It's pretty bloody heavy, so see how we go. So now the new diff's in, I'm just going to tighten up all the nuts. So diff's all torqued up now, all the bolts are tight, can see the silicone coming out, so that's a good sign that it's all sealed. So we'll just put the rear tail shaft back on.